In this video, you will learn German for beginners. The session number 7 will be in English, and we will learn today. The topic is introduce yourself. How to introduce yourself in German? So we will learn in this video. So be with us until the end of the video. Hallo, wie geht es Ihnen? Hello, how are you? It's mean if you don't know someone then or you talk with someone in respect, so you will say this, and then the answer is mir geht es gut und Ihnen. I'm fine, and you? The people we talk with respect, or with unknown people we talk like this. Hello, wie geht es dir? This we can say to our classmates also. Hello, how are you? Or the same age circles or the friend circles. Mir geht es gut und dir? I'm fine, or I'm doing great, and you? You have to note this all lesson on your notebook, and then it will help you to learn German. Next is wie geht's? What's up? This we say to buddies like hey buddy, or hey what's up? Gut und dir? Good, and you? This we say to the friends like normally we are meeting our friends daily or weekly, so we talk with them like this. Wie heißen Sie? This we will use to ask someone's name. What's your name? To unknown people also, or the new people, or the people in your circle. Ich heiße Shiraz und Sie? My name is Shiraz, or I am Shiraz. And what's your name? This will be the answer. The next is wie heißt du? It means if we ask someone what is your name, and this is if someone is in your age or someone is in your class or circles like this. Ich heiße Babar und du? My name is Babar, and you? This you have to write down on your notebook, and then it will help you very well. Mein Name ist Ali. There are also some other styles to say this. My name is Ali, or you can say any other name. You just have to do this and give your name. Mein Name ist Umar. नामे का N बड़ा लिखेंगे और नाम का फर्स्ट कैपिटल बड़ा लिखेंगे. My name is Umar. अब हम पूछेंगे कि तुम कहाँ से आए हो या तुम्हारा मुल्क कौन सा है. वो है common जी. This we will say to the people we don't know, or with respect. Where are you from? Means where you live. This we are talking about the country. Ich komme aus Pakistan und Sie? I come from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. And you? It's mean by born. Where you born? By birth, where you from? Woher kommst du? This we will say to the circle like same age. You know already where we use do. If you don't know, you can watch my other videos. Where you come from? Ich komme aus Deutschland und du? Deutschland. Germany को Deutsch में Deutschland कहते हैं. I am from Germany, and you? अब हम पूछेंगे वो सवाल जो नहीं पूछते लोग. Wie alt sind Sie? So what's your age? Tell me in the comment box. I will wait to have some new ideas. Ich bin 22 Jahre alt und Sie? I am 22, and you? If you don't know the counting, how we count German, you can check my other videos. I have a complete video on numbers. We all based to this we will say to classmates or the same age circle of people. How old are you, or what's your age? Ich bin 22 Jahre alt und du? I'm 22 years, and you? And now we will ask the questions that where you live, or where you are living now, right now. Wo wohnst du? Where do you live? It means where you are living, your home, or we are asking about the town or any city name. Ich wohne in Frankfurt und du? I live in, or I'm living in Frankfurt, and you? So this we ask to the people, anyone we can ask. And this one will be for the what is your profession? Was ist dein Beruf? What's your profession? Ich bin Lehrer und du. I'm teacher from profession, or I'm teacher and you. Now you know very well how to introduce yourself in German. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, ask in comment box, and see you until the next video.